If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slick the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So for instance, the face I hear the voice, and you don't know say a kogency. Pon the kogency rocks. Pon the kogency rocks. And today we have the finale, the finale. Who wins? Does the shoe fit? Season 5, episode 5, the finale. Bro, alright, guys. We gotta address something, alright? Thinking about the Sans girl and how I was acting in that video, I was probably going off a little too much, you understand? But guess what? Let me tell you is what, bro. You know what it is, yeah? It's like, I don't like when like girls try this my brethrens, you understand? And then I feel like Chunks and Philly and Alhan and I feel like they're my brethrens, you know what I'm saying? I've been watching all seasons that does the shoe fit so far, you understand? So I feel like it's a family. So when I see the girl, them, you know what I'm saying, trying to go on like, yeah, them I try this, the man, them, I'm like, hey, on to that girl, hey, girl. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but, you know, I just want to say I shouldn't have went so hard on her, you know? But we'll see what she says today. And if she bring back that stink attitude, I'm going to start off again, bro. Yeah, what you think? You're going to get all this smoke. And I just uploaded 2 smoky reaction. Go check it out. But yo, I don't want to waste any more time. Hit that like or dislike button and jump in the comments and let's go.
Vibes.
Yo, why is he jabbing the table like that, blood?
Based on the 3 interviews, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm the only one that got a negative comment. So
Wait. I'm actually nervous.
Nah,
So,
man.
the dating is over.
Yes, guys. You remember Shanette? You remember Chantel? You remember Sans? And with the last one, they named Mars or Mara or Marley. Boy, I don't know. She'd have one M name though, but don't catch a M charge.
Foot Asylum managed to catch up with the girls after the dates to see what they thought of us individually.
Aye. Hey, when I saw that back off in Mara's episode, bro, jeez. Dog, I started to rethink my whole YouTube career, fam. I was like, do I need to go to England or something, bro? Like, that's what I'm missing. Nah, bro. I got it. But yo, her back off was bad still.
Individually.
So nice back still. Hey, does the shoe fit? Hey, you knew this? Hey, can you tune in? Hey, or you ruining? Hey, don't do it. Hey, let me screw it. Aye. Come on.
The dating's now over and Foot Asylum have caught up with the girls. Let's see what they thought about the man them. Now, I'm actually scared for you guys.
Guys,
because
Why
we
did
see...
you look at me first?
Because, what's going on? Who's it? You joke, man. But listen, I can see who's on the screen already. It's long.
Yeah, it's
So
long.
my-
Oh, man. They made her go first. I guess they wanted to get her out of the way because they knew that she was going to have the most crud to talk. But hey, I said I shouldn't have went so hard on her in her episode, right? But if she says some shit, bro, I'm going to go off again. I'm telling you. I'm warning you.
You joke, man. But listen, I can see who's on the screen already.
Long.
It's long.
So my date went with Jack was quite well. I think Jack was the best out of them all.
And you see what I mean? Jack was the best out of them all. And Jack's date was so dead, fam. Like, content-wise, bro, that date was so dead. Most of the clips was from the guys behind the scenes talking about how dead the date is. And that's her fit. You understand? So you see why I had to go off, fam. This is not content. As in, her dates weren't content. Well, she's not content.
She would say that, wouldn't she?
I think Jack come with energy, and obviously I was just bouncing off his energy.
Energy? He said you want it on your face or your breast.
So my date with Unknown T, it was all right. Like, he was asking me some weird questions.
What weird question was you asking?
Would you rather or get a thumb in your
Why are you
weird?
asking her that?
You asked whether she...
I said, why you asking her that? Like said, Jack did just ask her if she wants it on her face, on the tits. What, Jack? Fix up, man.
What's on their chest off?
I'm just asking the
fair enough,
question.
fair enough.
Yeah? I'll be real. She looks so sad after you man rejected her, bro.
Whoa, he switched on you lost nicely.
I'll be
He
real with
switched
it.
on
I'll
the
be real with
man.
it.
Like, it was just really weird, the, like, or the threesome. Like, I've never had someone ask me some weird questions like that.
It's life.
It's
Boys
life.
being boys, man. We're sorry.
Yeah, man.
Boys being boys, man. The man them being the man them. That's why I said in her episode, you need to bring gal them so they can understand man them. That way you don't have people saying stuff like this, bro. Because she obviously don't get man them. She don't get it, man.
Silly show.
So my date with Alhan was weird. Like, I don't know if that's his insecurities projecting or whatever, but...
She said, my nigga, ours is insecure. You see what I mean? I'm trying really hard not to go off, bro. But she's dissing my brother. I told from the first episode, you know Alhan's my brother, bro. Alright. If she says something else, I might have to go off.
Alhan looks like he ain't washed before COVID. And in fact, he brought COVID over.
Nah, fuck that, man. I take everything I said back, bro. Sans, she deserved all the smoke she got in the first video, bro. Nah, man. Bro. And I'm sure she knows that this is a YouTube show, girl. We're here to create content. Nobody's here to actually look you or be interested in you. Who the fuck is this guy? Nah, man. You see? I almost let her off the hook, you know, bros. That's why you can't let the sweet ones off the hook, man. You have to keep them on a leash, bro. Or else they're gonna say weird, wild shit like this, man. Can't be dissing my brethren.
Alhan looks like he ain't washed before COVID.
What?
In fact, he brought COVID over.
What?
She's violating.
Sans, hold on. No, because I came outside. I said, you know what? I apologize.
Yeah, he did.
Exactly. You see, Alan has the same mentality. Didn't I just say fuck off 5 seconds ago? You see, bro, the man them would just think the same.
What? I apologize.
Yeah, he did.
Fuck off, man.
So my date with Philly, obviously, like, I feel like this whole, you know, walking off the set.
You've done it before.
It's just getting a bit boring now. Like, for content, you need to come up with something a bit more new.
She's trying to tell Philly about content. This girl. You see why I had to put her on? Oh, dog. Oh, she just lucky that I'm not in the mood to like be, you know, cussy. Because I would have started again in a fam. Because she ain't even... How she for tell him about content, bro? She even started her own YouTube channel, fam, reacting to the shit, fam. So how you for tell Philly about content, bro? How? You know what I'm saying? Man. Stop the shit, man.
Doing that, like, you're not a model, so, like, relax. Like, it's not that serious.
Did you just get a model dildo?
Just got a model. You see what I mean? I just felt it, man. When the girl them are styling my brethren, I just don't like it. Especially when the man them just come in here for a genuine good time to create good content for us. So you can cover the Kogency Reacts channel and we'll talk about it and laugh about it. And she's just coming here trying to act like she's a superstar, bro. She ain't nobody, fam. Nobody even knows her, bro.
You are a model.
Gang.
You are a model.
Gang.
Hey,
Anyway.
No,
we do that for real.
Model.
Anyway.
You are a model.
Hey, man, we do deserve it.
No,
we did that for real. We do.
You ain't got fashion and you ain't got the height, so let's just leave it, all right? It's not that serious.
But this is what I'm saying. She's sour on a bumper seed.
Yeah.
I am the...
She's sour on a bumbo seed, bro. I'm Jamaican. I don't even say bumbo seed. What? Hear the word again.
But this is what I'm saying. She's sour on a bumper seed. I am the drippiest brother.
The
Did you say something
drip.
about provisional lessons or something?
What?
Nah, he's
I am the drippiest brother.
Didn't she say something about provisional lessons or something?
Damn.
Nah, he's taking the honestly.
It's calm, man. I've bought my sister a yard. But anyway, listen. I apologize if you was offended, man. But babes, you gotta understand this is a show, innit? But I get it. I would have done the same. I would have gone more in on me personally.
So my date...
You understand? Like, but hear what he said at the last part.
Gotta understand this is a show, innit? But
It's a show, innit? We're here to create content for the fans that are watching. You see these cameras that are here, girl? They're not here to hear me ask you about your day or your star sign. They're here for me to create content. I'm sorry, man. I'm gonna continue, bro. But, like, how can you come on this big YouTube show, knowing it's a YouTube show, and when the man them doing things for content, you go on like, you're not in a sense. Bro, don't put back sense on this show, bro.
I get it. I would have done the same. I would have gone more in on me personally.
So my date with Jack, I feel like Jack was really nice. As well, he did ask some questions that did throw me off a little bit, but it's fine. I was able to bounce off his energy.
Why didn't you bounce off his
Yeah, I think Jack's got really good vibes.
Based on that, she's hurt how the way we treat her. I'm so sorry I feel deep.
Yeah, you might as well grab her, bro.
So to go on my second day, I would probably
Philly, don't be sorry, man. Don't be sorry, man. She deserves everything, all the smoke she got, bro. She deserves it.
choose Jack.
Don't look
I mean, big up Jack still, but I mean, it's Sans, dog, so nobody really cares. Let's move on to the next girl.
at the camera like that. Don't look at the camera like that.
Alright, cool. Let's play Lewandowski.
My date with Philly was cool. I really liked his energy.
God, Shanette. Is it Shanette or Chantel? Shanette. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. Shanette, talk to me, baby.
I think he's very playful, cheeky, and we could go back and forth. I really did like him. You know, he's very handsome. I thought we had good conversation. So yeah, I really enjoyed my date with him. I think he's pretty cool.
Wait, this is the first time I've actually got I paused that. Someone was actually nice to me.
Hey.
Bro, in the interviews, these guys draw me out every series, you know?
Yeah.
Philly, too arrogant.
Yeah. Remember one time one girl was like, man, he's just too loud, man. I like him, but he's just too loud. And then he was like, raw, so should I stop saying my man? Like, I know what he means, bro. I know what he means.
I'm telling you,
Yeah,
bro.
bro, you came across a good guy this time, bro. Yeah, you came across a good guy.
See, like, I just want to let everyone know I've changed and I'm ready. I'll be honest, you lot. Clarting season is done. I'm a big bloodshed man. I need a woman.
Bro, what is wrong with him and these words from Bumble Seed, bloodshed? All right, dog. Maybe I need to start using them so I don't get demonetized.
Season is done. I'm a big bloodshed man. I need a woman.
Oh no.
Philly's mocking it, man.
So my date with Jack, I enjoyed it a lot. Like I really wanted it to continue. But I just feel like Jack is...
Fam, she's slurping, she's drooling. Shanette, come on, girl. I thought you was gonna like the brothers more, man. Jano, dog, she like the white man.
A lot. Like I really wanted it to continue. But I just feel like Jack is very smooth. Like he gives me like player vibes. A bit too smooth, like touching my hand, all of that. But he's again another handsome one. They call me the queen of can't be finessed, and I literally felt like I was getting finessed just looking into his eyes. Ooh. But it was a nice date.
Pause it, please. How? She started to clock you, man. Bro, she clocked him. No, it's not about clocking. It's not about clocking me. She clocked you. I can't. I looked to get on the eyes, and I got called someone who's finessing her. Yeah. What else was you doing? Close my eyes. No, because it's the blue bit.
My date with Alha.
It's the blue bit. It's the blue eyes, man. The blue eyes, white dragon, man.
Close my eyes. No, because it's the blue bit.
My date with Alha. Never been on a date like that before, ever.
Unique.
Wow.
Probably never would want to go on another one like that, ever. He's cool, playful, but I just think he takes things a little bit too far, like shooting out guns and stuff like that.
You see, if we come on these dates dead with like the normal, hi, how are you? What do you do for a living? No one is going to watch this.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, my guy. This is why you guys are here with the fucking show centered around you guys, and these girls are just guests because they don't get it, bro. They don't get it. Content, bro. Like Alhan not gonna get any good votes from the girls, but his content throughout the episodes on the show definitely was like top tier, bro. Popping out the lollipop gun, nobody expected that shit, fam. That's the content. I don't want to hear him ask you about how you doing or whatever. I don't care about you, girl. Well, obviously, I like the sweet ones, you know what I'm saying, but I'm here for content, bro.
We have to come out with the mad thing for you lot.
You don't need to wake up and choose violence. I just feel like, so yeah, I mean, out of a 10, probably a 1, and that's just me being nice.
That's her being nice, bro.
Oh no, that was unfair.
That was her being nice.
Was you rude to her?
My date with...
Alhan wasn't even rude to her, dog. He just popped out the lollipop gun. I thought their date was pretty cool. Like a 1, Jano.
He was really chilled and cool. I really liked his vibe. Like, he didn't make me feel nervous. He made me feel comfortable.
Tug man.
And I like that he...
What is that?
nervous, he made me feel comfortable.
Tug, man.
Big Freedis.
And I like that he's got this like mysterious kind of cool energy. It makes me want to like find out more about him. I definitely want to see his eyes behind those glasses. So I really enjoyed that. Surprisingly, I really enjoyed my date with him. Yeah, I really liked my date with Ananti.
The smile is mad.
No more in it.
So for my second
Bro, the man gave the most hood getter answer, hammered answer you could ever get. Yeah, man, love, innit? Yeah, man, safe, innit?
yeah, I really liked my date with Ananti.
The smile is mad.
No more in it.
Yeah,
So
say
for
no
my
more,
second
innit?
date, it was kind of hard.
Babe, don't get finessed by Jack. Don't get finessed by Jack.
But I just kind of, something is making me sway towards unknown T.
Alright, give him the bump, man.
Smooth thing.
Smooth thing, man.
So what you say about Titi?
And yeah, so I'd pick unknown T from my area. I feel like we should stick together. And I feel like even outside of just dating, we could be cool as friends. So unknown T for me.
Oh, now she's nice, man. She was my favourite. She was so nice. Good vibes, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, love.
Shanette was really the favorite still. You know what I'm saying? It was Shanette, Chantel, Mara, and then that girl there.
So nice.
Alright, well, on to the next one. What's her name?
Pretty eyes.
Pretty eye.
Run it.
My date with unknown T was very
Whoa, are them pretty for real? Whoa. My God, hey.
awkward at first, but he carried on the conversation. So after a while, I did get comfortable speaking to him.
Fair enough.
I did feel like he did ask me some awkward questions about the finger in my ass or getting my sucked. But
Yeah. I remember that one.
No, but bro, you're a G.
Is
Bro,
the way you gotta keep the-
no, this is why you're on the show. No one wants to hear nothing from you.
Man can't do this boring man thing anyway.
Yeah.
really cool guy.
Anyway, bro, no boring man thing, man. Like, after these girls do that interview, they're gonna go on about their life, bro. And you guys are gonna have to come back and do another season of this, man. So stop worrying about the sweet ones, man. Give us content.
To hear nothing from you.
Man can't do this boring man thing anyway.
he's a really
Anyways.
cool guy and he does seem very, very genuine. My date with Arhan was really, really bad. I'm sure
She feels offended. She feels offended.
No. That is a
What did she say, bro? Like, I'm here trying to figure out, man.
Backfired. That backfired.
That is
That backfired. That backfired.
Dog, and Foot Asylum, wicked, you know. Foot Asylum don't even show us anything, bro. We don't know anything what she said.
Just say, I am extremely happy because normally that is me. On every damn series I've been on, I am that guy. And for once in my life, I am not that guy.
But you've never had it like that, though.
What? I've never had it like that.
Jack's lovely. I really like him.
And then she just went, oh, Jack's lovely. Fam, what did she say, bro? Did she say he needs to... Did she say something about his mum or something, man? I don't know, man.
Jack's
Very
lovely.
respectful guy,
Like,
like,
Jack,
hey,
like.
got me water, he pulled out the chair for me.
Well, man done the libertine thing.
Libertine thing, man.
Man done the libertine thing, like. Come on, like.
I could literally sit.
Fam, nobody can tell me that Philly don't take some type of drugs at some point, bro. Look at this guy.
Man done
Look
the
at him.
libertine thing, like. Come on, like.
I
Get
could
mad.
literally sit down and speak to Jack all day. He's really
Jack all day.
She said speak to you. She don't want anything else. She don't want cock. She don't want cock. She want you to speak.
I want to talk to you.
Hardy place.
Philly.
What?
Cocky.
She don't want cock. She want you to speak.
You love how you style the place.
And the one I sing, me love how you style the place, me love how you wind your waist, up and down like a yo-yo. Me feel set me in love with a go-go. Hey, show me the go-go wine, gal. Show me the go-go wine, gal. Sorry, bro. You know when I start singing a song after like continue, bro, my brain can't help itself. I have a music brain.
Philly. I really like Philly. Not only is he really handsome, but I feel like me and him, we really
Hey.
bounce off each other. I
Guy.
think it's that the Leo in us. Like, I feel like I could sit
Hey,
down.
pause it
My
quick.
girl said the Leo in us, man. It was all good until she brought up the star sign.
We really bounce off each other. I think it's that the Leo in us.
Leo.
Like, I feel like I could sit
Hey,
down.
pause it quick. Life is about perspectives, you know. You know I didn't feel that energy.
Is it?
Did you lot, when you watched My Date, did you feel that?
You said the same. What? I'm more gassed to see what you're gonna say about Mara now.
This one here, I could tell you weren't trying to entertain like that. You're just being you.
Yeah,
fam.
you were just chilling.
You're just being you,
You were
bro.
just chilling.
So she's feeling it.
She's feeling it.
Yeah.
You could win this, bro.
Like,
You capping.
if you win this one and Amara,
You've
I
won it,
can't lie
bro.
to you. I'm
win
hating
Mara-
it.
Hey, him up,
Conversation
man.
will just keep on flowing back to back, back
Not
to
gonna lie, this girl is a really nice sweet one, man. I can't lie, man. Like, Melanin, man. Jano.
Back, but he's honestly my favourite. Like, I really, really do.
Oh, you!
The favourite?
I would choose for my second day.
Feels.
Philly.
Ah, Mr. 100 Bags freestyle himself. 100.
Just because not only do I find him attractive,
100.
and I know that if the date was longer, me and him would have been sitting there for hours just going back to back.
It's mad that you didn't see that.
Respect his, bro.
Respect my brother. I said I'm taking the seat back, and he's dubbing it for me.
Don't get me wrong, I felt like the convo was bouncing, but I didn't know she felt that way.
Let her know down that barrel right now,
man.
you're feeling.
Can't wait to see you again.
Wow.
Guys. Me and you.
This is the last one.
This is nuts.
Yeah, Mara's going to be mad because Mara, she was trying to finesse the man them. The man them came out trying to be on smoke and Mara was like, what type of smoke you on, bro? I'm on 100 times the smoke, blood. Like, Mara was on smoke. Like, she was telling, yo, what you want? You want it now? You want to go behind the scene? You know what I'm saying? She was even screaming when, like, Jack gave her number. Like, Mara was into it, blood. But then she did like Jack more than Philly, and Philly went back to her, so I was kind of not feeling that from Philly point. But, you know, let's see what he says, man, because I'm still vexed that he did that, bro. Never in your life should a girl proclaim her love for another man on a date and you stay on that date with her. Never. Never.
Me and you.
This is gonna be a match now.
Mara.
Man. So wait, you got one, you got one, and you got one.
Mazza.
And then your vibes in.
So my date with Alham was not really a date. I found it really dead, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I felt like I already kind of friend-zoned him, but I tried to speak to him, but I wouldn't go on a date again with him, sorry.
She's respectful.
No, yeah, that's fine, man. Alhan already has a girlfriend. He's not here to hear anything that you guys have to say. He creates the content for the man them. That's why I love Alhan, bro. You know what I'm saying? Fuck the sweet ones, man.
It's not my
That's what I
time.
was going to say. Thank you, Mara.
Yeah, very
I love you. Even though you're friends on me, I'll happily be your friend. With them other ones,
So my date with Philly was fun. I really liked him. He's got a really nice personality. And do you know what? He's actually good looking, even in real life. Better in real life, if anything. But I didn't like when he left halfway through.
Can I point?
Yeah, because you said you like Jack, Mara. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, girl?
Let me tell you why I left. Let me tell you why I left. Can I tell you why I left? I left because, I asked her, what's your type? She then said, tall, dark, and handsome. But then, because she didn't want to burn the bridge with you, she looked at the camera and went, no, actually, I like everything. Jack. I got up. You weren't listening.
We didn't hear that. I didn't hear that.
Watch when you watch the show back.
Yeah. Watch when you watch the show back. And when you watch the show back, watch a kogency reaction, bro. The only reaction that matters.
He came back.
Because I told Philly as soon as he got up, bro, do not go back. Don't go back, fam. And he went back, bro. He fell under the spell of the sweet one.
Got to know him. It was a good date.
Oh, it's still there, I don't know. She's very beaky. She's a bit beaky.
So my date with Jack was really fun. Like, I really enjoyed it. Like, he's such a bubbly person. He interacted with me and like...
Off rip, I can tell she's liking Jack more, blood. Is that it's between Jack or Unknown? Let's hear what she said about Unknown, though.
Interacting.
We got on like that, and I found him really good looking as well. Like, he's even better in person.
Appearance means a lot to us, though.
Enjoy this content. Look, you're my brother. I love you so much, Jack. I swear to you.
Hey, T!
So my date with Unknown T was good. Like, I really liked the whole flirting thing. He had that, and like, he was applying pressure, and I kind of liked that on the first date. And he was funny as well. Like, we got on. And yeah, he was good vibes.
He was good vibes. She sounded like she come from Liverpool.
We got on.
And
yeah, he was good vibes.
Alright, cool.
You know, like that Scream, and about that Scream, the Scream movie from back in the day. What's that? That's how I feel, bro. I swear. Look at Philly, bro.
Yeah, he was good vibes.
Good vibes.
Cool. Based on the 3 interviews, yeah, I'm the only one that got a negative comment. So wait.
Give up. Wait. I'm actually nervous.
Really, we should apologise.
Why?
Because date 1, we were smoking him.
No, we weren't.
Yeah, you was a smooth Nabamba.
He played it slow.
Wait. We got a confession.
Yeah. When he came back behind stage, I was like, yeah, make him seem like it was good. And try to make him seem like a pussy.
When you watch this show back, brother, all I want to say is I'm sorry.
It's all love. Like, you're not my boys, man.
Man, whatever happens, guys, you lot are Gallus. The city is your palace.
Ooh. Man, them are Gallus. The city is our palace. Oh, Chunk, say again, Chunk, see that.
Man, whatever happens, guys, you lot are Gallus. The city is your palace.
Oh.
I want to shout out to Capella for that. That's this song.
So,
What?
I want to shout out to Capella for that. That's this song.
Capella, big up
who I
Capella.
would go on a second date with.
Who's that?
That's a bit difficult because
Wait, they'll just see T without his shades.
go on a second date with.
Yeah, you can. Alright, so that's Twigs without his shades. Cool. You can't see me without my shades, bro. My shades don't leave my face. I'm capping. I literally took off my shades like 10 seconds ago.
That's a bit difficult because I really liked
All the man them.
Billy, Jack, and Unknown T.
Don't do that. She knows what she's doing.
Alham, like I couldn't go on another date with him. Like no, but I don't know. I think
Aye.
Billy's got my head,
Oh no, she didn't say me.
Wait, you got my head?
What?
but Jack's got my heart. I think I would go on another date with Jack.
And you winner of That's the Shoe Fit Series 5 is Jack Fowler! Well done, my brother. This is your second dub.
Bro, every time I turn up, dubs.
Ooh, you need to chill out with that vocabulary.
Has anyone been on the show and never got anything? No votes?
Philly used to.
Yeah, me.
Philly.
That was me.
I really wanted Philly to win. I can't lie. I'll be honest. I really did want him to win.
But I wanted you to win. Mums, I wanted you to win.
Fair and square, you get me. The best man won, bro.
The best man won.
Look, I've got 3 series. You got 2. You know what I mean?
Ooh,
right,
so
you
wait,
got
if he
another
gets
one.
to 3, do we have a final head-to-head?
Yeah, yes.
I want to say
Yes, no, you have to. If Jack Fowler comes to the next episode and he gets 3 crowns and Chunks has 3 crowns, they gotta do a one-on-one, bro. Like just Chunks versus 3 girls and Jack versus 3 girls, bro. I'm here for it, man. I want to see that.
You know what I mean?
Ooh,
right,
so
you
wait,
got
if he gets
another
to 3, do we have a final head-to-head?
No, I'm not going. I want to say thank you so much for watching that. That was incredible. Jack, you are a winner. Any last words, brother?
Foolish out now.
Okay.
Yes, my brother.
Hard tune, wicked. Feel that.
Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so every time we upload a new video, you are notified.
Peace. Listen. Hey. Does the shoe fit? Hey. Hey, you knew this? Hey. Hey, you tube this? Hey. Hey, you fruit? Sorry, bro. Way too hype, man. Listen. Keeping the umbrella up. Listen, man. It's not surprising that the Love Island nigga won. You know what I'm saying? It's a show about dating and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I really don't care who the girls choose it. I'm just here to laugh about the content and the funny shit that go on in the show. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I guess big up Jack for winning. You know, it's not really anything new. Like, them girls like that are probably in his DM, like, by the hundreds. You understand? So him winning the show don't really do anything. I don't really want Philly win or Unknown T win. Because then I'll be like, yeah, the man there, yeah. Well, you know, all right, Jack win. Jack cool too. Jack part of the man them. He's just a white man them. You see me? So big up Jack same way. Yeah, man, this entire series was nice, except even the Suns episode was kind of nice because it changed up the emotion that it provoked out of me. You understand? It made me very irritated that she was just so, you know what I'm saying, her chest was just all the way in the sky. And she was like, you know what I'm saying, acting like she's bigger than the YouTubers. I'm like, well, you're not though. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? I just say, you know what I'm saying, twice. Listen, Kogency on the Kogency Reacts channel. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments and let me know what you think about this and what you want me to react to next. If you want me to do like previous seasons, if you want me to do like the one with KSI or the one with Conan or the first episode with Jack Fowler or the one with one youth named Jordan, like there's so much, dog. All this Trini girls say, who's Jordan again? Who's Jordan again? Yeah, man. Let me know if you want me to react to more in the comments, man. But don't know. Kogency on the Kogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Cause the girl them want them fuck them know for reach me girl. Pon the phone just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me yeah girl. Bring pussy to